Hi, everybody. I'm going to go ahead and walk you through the muscle fatigue graph setup. So you'll have your data entered in, and you're going to want to go ahead and just take a full copy of the data table from the lab handout. And then I'm going to open up a Google Sheet, and I'm just going to drop that table right in to the spreadsheet here. Notice I've added in my data so that I am ready to go. In order to go ahead and graph, I'm now going to go ahead and drag and copy that section again, including the headings up at the top. And then I'll navigate over here to Insert Chart. I'll go ahead and insert the chart. Now I've got to make a couple of key changes here. And the way I do that is in the Customize tab. So I do want a 2-line chart, so that looks okay. I'm now going to go to Customize, and I'm going to go ahead and change a couple of things. The first thing I'd like to change is the title. So here is where I go ahead and choose title. So I'm on Chart Access Title, choose the title, and I think I'd rather this be called the Muscle Fatigue Lab. If I can spell that right. Evidently I can't. So again, this is going to be plugged in as my title right up there. The next thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and make sure that my axes are labeled correctly. So trials is accurate. Maybe I'll put trials plural down there. And then for the vertical, I need to go ahead and enter in number of squeezes. Right. Okay. So now that plugs that in on the side. One other thing that's nice to do if you're going to be printing out a lab or looking at it not on a computer is if you go into the Customize tab here that says Series, you can go ahead and change the shape of the different pieces. So I can go ahead and make I can make my dominant hand, which is my right hand. I can go ahead and make that with a triangle shape. And then I can go to my non-dominant and choose another shape. So let me see, let me find something jazzy here. I think I'll do a circle. And so now my legend indicates that the triangles are the dominant hand and the circles are the non-dominant hand. And this way, if I don't have access to color, I can still go ahead and see that. So once I've completed adjusting my graph so that it looks good, then I'm going to go ahead and copy it and then make my way back into the lab handout where I'll go ahead and just simply insert the graph here. And you can choose to have it linked or unlinked. It doesn't matter. I'm going to unlink it. And there is my graph. I hope that helps.